Looking for a delightful addition to your Christmas dessert platter? Let's introduce the scrumptious Gingerbread Cheesecake Bites. With just a few simple ingredients and easy-to-follow steps, you'll have a festive treat that's sure to impress. Stay tuned to learn how to make these mini delights. Here's what you'll need to create these bite-sized wonders. For the gingerbread crust, gather graham crackers, melted butter, and ground ginger. For the creamy cheesecake filling, prepare cream cheese, granulated sugar, vanilla extract, and eggs. Now that we have everything ready, it's time to start baking. First, whip up your gingerbread crust. Begin by blending ginger snap cookies into fine crumbs. Combine these crumbs with melted butter, creating a mixture that will form the base of our bite-sized delights. Press this mixture into the bottoms of your mini muffin tin, creating a solid foundation for the cheesecake layer. Now, let's move on to the creamy cheesecake filling. In a separate bowl, blend cream cheese until it's smooth and fluffy. Gradually mix in granulated sugar, followed by a dash of vanilla extract. Don't forget to add 1 whole egg to bind it all together. Next, spoon the cheesecake mixture over the gingerbread crusts in your muffin tin. Pop them in the oven and bake until they're set. After baking, allow your gingerbread cheesecake bites to cool before serving. And there you have it, delicious gingerbread cheesecake bites. These mini delights are a feast for the eyes with their festive look, and their mouth-watering taste is sure to steal the show. Perfect for your Christmas dessert platter. That's how you make gingerbread cheesecake bites. In a nutshell, combine the ingredients, prepare the gingerbread base, mix the cheesecake filling, and assemble these mini delights. Now it's your turn to create this sweet magic at home. Imagine the joy of presenting these on your Christmas dessert platter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy holidays!